If you guys are interested in this siren makeup look with no flashback, keep watching. Hey guys, so this is gonna be like a little makeup tutorial. It's gonna be with a voiceover because I have a hard time doing my makeup without music. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I feel like this background is pretty nice. Maybe I definitely can't wait till I get my new bed. And as always, thank you. Please subscribe and like and comment because it really helps me out. And I can't wait till we hit 300. We're already at 120. Yeah, and this is my goal. This is my year of hitting 1,000. So I really want to hit 300, and I think that I can do it. And thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please share with anybody who likes douyin makeup or cute makeup. And yeah, please subscribe if you like my content, and thank you. So first I put my hair on my face. Don't mind my lace, please, don't attack me. Anyways, my lace was not done, or my wig wasn't done completely because I was lazy and I was just doing this to film a video. Anyways, so you prep your face with whatever you prep your face with. I just use siren and lip butter, but I use _Elf Flawless Foundation and Latte, and it blends really good with my skin. This is like close to my winter shade. My summer shade is a lot darker, but this is my winter shade. So then I go over it with Elf. And also, by the way, I keep looking away because I was watching this movie called Vacation. It's really funny. Not the other one, but Vacation. And then this is how you do your eyeliner. You should do it in a very upwards motion, but make sure to also follow the shape of your eye. So since I have almond eyes, I just do it to my pupil, and then I just draw it to my pupil. So I draw it where my pupil stops, and I do a very thin wing, and that's how I do my eyeliner. So then you're gonna want to take a medium light concealer, not lighter, but medium light, and you're gonna put that right under your thing and also under your eye, and you're gonna let it sit for some time, fan it. Then after you let it sit, you're gonna start blending. So I let it sit for like 2 minutes, but you can let it sit for longer. So I start blending, and I know it looks a little light, but trust the process. You're gonna see that it's all gonna come together, and it causes no flashback. So just wait and you will see. So that was just me smoothing it out. Next, this is the lighter concealer. I think that this one is in medium sand, or I'm not sure. I tried to show it, but I can't even read that right now. If you can read it, bless you, but yeah, medium sand or medium tan, I don't know. But I used that one in the corners, and I blend it, but I didn't show it because it took so long to blend. Like it just was not blending right. But that's it, blended in the corners. And then I usually take my fingers and I like go like that you saw over the bridge of my nose, just to make where my nose contour is gonna go. And then this is my photo finish powder. So after you do the photo finish powder, you're gonna do blush. I just use this eyeshadow palette, and then first place I put is on my nose, but as you can see, I put a little too much, so I had to use a bigger brush to blend it out, make sure it wasn't too powdery, too pink. But then I just used a bigger brush to apply it everywhere else so that it wouldn't be as pigmented, and it worked. So definitely use a bigger brush if you have pigmented. If not, use a smaller brush. But yeah, always do the chin, or else you're gonna look like a ghost. So next we're gonna do nose contour. So I take this Elf putty type contour palette, and I take the dark brown shade because that is the darkest for me, and I contour up to my eyebrow, which makes it look more like natural, even though you can't contour the side. Now I put more of that photo finish on my nose bridge. I was laughing because of the movie, sorry. But you put that, and I just put that everywhere where you see. And that's just me showing you how like flawless my base was. I was like, yes. So then you're gonna put eyelashes. I use full lashes, but sometimes I just do mascara. But this look really needed lashes. So I tried to do a cool transition, but it did not eat. Anyways, I linked the lashes below, so if you are interested. So then I just use a bigger brush, and then I just brush the powder off. And next we're gonna do eyeshadow. I use a dark brown, but you can use any brown that's not too far away from your shade, maybe a shade darker. And I just do this because you'll see later on how it just all blends together. But yeah, make sure it's not too dark. And yeah, so then you're gonna do your freckles. I'll link the freckle pen I have below. I don't know if it's still available because I tried to buy a new one, but I couldn't find it. But I bought this from a store in Flushing, but they do sell them on Amazon. So that's just me checking myself out again because I was like, oh my god, it looks so cute. So then this is the eyebrow pattern I follow. And I've been doing this eyebrow pattern for like a month and I love it. So just follow that pattern. You can pause it. And I didn't really show my eyebrows because my eyebrows is really easy. It's just eyeliner and then I just blend it out. So then this is the part why you need the darker brown, because when you blend, it's going to kind of look pretty light. And this is just to keep the flashback from making it show like it's not your face. So while you let that sit, do your lip combo or whatever. This is my lip combo. I just do a dark lip liner and then I blend it. But you do your own lip combo because I just feel like everyone has their own. And I just use my Claire's lip gloss that I've had for like 4 years. And I love it. So yeah, just use whatever lip gloss you have comfortable. So this is what I mean. If you didn't put the brown shadow, it's not gonna blend together properly. Like it's just gonna look pale like that. And I put the brown shadow because then it does this. Like you see, it just makes it so that it's more cohesive and it doesn't make me look like a ghost. So this is just me blending out the corners and yeah. So next step is also crucial. You're gonna put your foundation, and this is also to prevent flashback. Use a different blender. I use the same one and it kind of blended the colors together, but use a different blender, and this just gets rid of all the like paleness and things like that around, and it just makes it focus on like it's all blending into your skin. So as you can see, it did that here. And yeah, so now we're gonna do highlighter. So these are both by You Can Be, but one is discontinued. So I start off with gold because it makes it like so I know where to highlight, and then I go in with a white, and the white really brings it out. Make sure to do your nose too and your inner corners. Then I do a liquid highlighter for my cheeks. Now I was just refixing my wig because I noticed the lace was lifting and I didn't want y'all to like see my fuzz balls, so I was fixing the lace, but this ended up kind of ruining my showing video. But then you just blend that out with your fingers, and this is the final look. So thank you guys for watching. I show you guys how it looks without the glasses, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. And sorry it's so short. Thank you.